Okay, what's up guys? Ronsas TV here. So for today's video, we're going to review or unbox one of the I purchased in Temu. So we're going to have this wireless lavalier microphone or wireless microphone that we bought in Temu. Okay, so but before we go there to the unboxing and review, and we're gonna try this one. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe now and click that bell notification so you'll be updated on my upcoming videos. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so nabili natin to guys sa Temu. I think less than 10 euro or something, but I haven't tried it yet, so i-check natin guys na. So okay naman yung packaging niya, and this is for type C thing. My phone is iPhone and it uses yung old connector. Pero meron naman ako dito na meron ako dito ng Android which uses type C. Okay, so yun ang gagamitin natin to review. So natin to guys. So meron siyang box there. Okay, so meron siyang, what's this? Yung kanyang okay, so USB cable. Then ito, mga clips para yung nilalagay yata yan dito. Cheap lang tayo eh. Okay, another clip. There's dalawa siya. So ito yung kanyang microphone. Anyway, meron po siyang parang yan yung mga nakikita natin eh, no? So dalawa yan guys. Hindi lang siya ganun ka So dalawa yan eh. Ayan. So dalawa yung microphone na yan. And kung ayaw naman natin na itong mabalahibo na to, pero naman siya na ito. No, yung parang soft something na foam. Kung ayaw natin ng babalahibo na type of microphone, yung cover. Okay, but na to? Medyo na-deform. Pero madali lang naman kasi foam lang naman yan. Ayan. Okay. So aside from that, meron din siya nito. I think ito yung kino-connect sa kino-connect dun sa cellphone. Sa USB. Ayan. So ganyan siya, kino-connect siya ng ganyan. Yan yata yung nagkukuha ng tanggalin na natin to, ng signal from the microphone itself. So I don't know how this works, pero meron naman siyang instruction dito. So syempre, kailangan natin basahin yung instruction, di ba? Okay, so saan ba yung English dito? English, microphone, information, okay. Okay, how to use. Ayan, so ikabit natin yon, then may switch key. Okay, natin isa. Okay, so before that, ito na muna ang isa ang gamitin natin. Tanggalin na natin itong mga cover niya. Okay, then ikabit natin itong, so may isa. Dalawa to eh. Okay, lalaglag pa. Alright. Okay, now kabit natin tong clip. Paano pa kiniklip to? The other way around. Ayan. So kiniklip siya para i-turn on daw. Bila pala. I-turn on natin. Okay. So ayan. Naka-turn on na. So, subukan natin siya ngayon. Okay. Dun sa microphone. I don't know if naka-connect na to. So i-pair yata to eh. Okay, so try natin if maganda yung microphone itself. So gagamit tayo ng isa pang video and we'll see kung malinaw yung Well, anyway guys, this is available in Temu. So kung gusto nyo rin ng ganito, is just buy in Temu. Okay, so ayan. Subukan ngayon natin. Way there. Far. Yeah. Go there. Okay. So test mic. 1, 2, 3. Test mic. 1, 2, 3. Go farther, ate. Okay, test mic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Test mic. We'll try naman yung walang microphone. Okay, ito, we'll try naman. So, ito yung walang microphone. Okay, so, microphone. Okay, so, go back again, ate. So, we'll check it. Okay, test mic. 1, 2, 3. Test mic. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yun yung walang microphone guys ha. Tingnan natin kung maganda yung tunog. Okay, so overall guys, it works. Hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking budget for a microphone. So, itong sa Temu. So guys, it really works, no? So if you don't have that big budget for a wireless microphone, so try to search this in Temu. Okay. Mura lang siya and it will give you as well a very good microphone reception dun sa mga videos nyo. Lalo na pagka medyo nasa outside kayo at gusto talaga clear yung audio. So, eto, kunin nyo to sa Temu, bumili kayo sa Temu. Murang-mura lang to guys. It will not break the bank actually. So, it will save you lots of money and you will enjoy it as well. All right? So, okay. So, thank you guys and hope to see you on my next video. Okay? So, bye.